to Cario, your all-in-one freight management software. In today's session, we'll be going through the last step in the creating a consignment workflow, which is manifesting the consignment. Until the point of manifestation, any consignment made within Cario stays within Cario. Once you have manifested the consignment, that is when the message and instructions will be sent over to the carrier. So, how do we manifest a consignment? Let me show you how to do that. First, you want to head over to the Consignments menu, click on it to get the drop-down. Go ahead and head over to the Manifest menu. In the Manifest Consignments menu, you'll be able to see a list of all the consignments that have not yet been manifested. Now remember, once you have manifested the consignment, it will be too late to make any more changes to that consignment. The data will have been sent over to the carrier, and any changes made will require you to reach out to the carrier directly. So, in order to manifest a consignment, you can go ahead and pick on the consignment that you'd like to manifest it and toggle the checklist here. Now, it is important to note that the date you see here is the date of when the consignment was created. To go ahead and manifest the consignment, if you've clicked on Manifest here, this will send information to the carrier to pick up the consignment on this date. Not on this date that the consignment was created, but on the date where you clicked on Manifest. If you'd like to give specific instructions to the carrier on which date they should pick it up on, you have that option down here on the left side where you see the pickup date field. Click on it on the calendar, and here you can set instructions to the carrier. For example, we're creating the manifest on Friday, but we would like them to pick it up on a Monday. So go ahead and pick on Monday the 12th. Alright, you can also pick the pickup hours here. Once that's done, go ahead and click on Manifest. After you've manifested the consignment, it will automatically take you to the Booking and Manifest History screen where you can see the details. Now, in this menu here, you'll be able to see several options, such as if you need to reprint the manifest or the content or the label, or if your consignment contains any dangerous goods, you'll be able to print that out as well. If you ever see underneath the status column that the manifest has failed, then go ahead and click on this resend icon, which will resend the consignment and manifest it to the carrier. Okay, so now you should be able to create a consignment and manifest it. Next thing to do would be to see that carrier come by